Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles and grow a garden. First, let's gather our waffle ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. For the wet ingredients, prepare 1 cup of milk, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Don't forget to preheat your waffle iron to a medium setting while you mix everything. Now let's mix our waffle batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, and baking powder. In another bowl, combine the milk, eggs, and melted butter. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring until just combined. A few lumps are fine. Spoon about 1/2 cup of batter onto your preheated waffle iron and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, or until golden brown and crispy. Transitioning to gardening, let's start with planting. Select a location in your yard that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. This is crucial for most plants. Next, test your soil's pH. Many vegetables thrive in a pH range of 6.0 to 7.0. Finally, improve your garden bed by mixing in 2 to 3 inches of nutrient-rich compost to give your plants a great start. With your soil ready, it's time to plant. Follow the specific instructions on your seed packets or seedling tags for proper depth and spacing. Consistent watering is key. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week, adjusting for rainfall. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed while gardening. Happy growing and enjoy your delicious homemade waffles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.